The most time-consuming part of replacing broken main lifting springs on dock levelers is the loosening and later retightening of the pull rod adjustment nut. There can often be as much as 12 inches of thread. Because of the limited working space under a dock leveler, a standard wrench is difficult to use because it has to be continuously repositioned on the adjustment nut. With the use of an extra long 12-inch deep socket and a standard ratchet, however, this tedious work can be completed in a fraction of the time and with a lot less effort. As long as there's not too much tension left on the springs, a screw gun can be used to remove the adjustment nut even more quickly. If your company charges $70, $80, or $90 an hour for labor, it's easy to see that these sockets will pay for themselves in a relatively short period of time.